welcome back again to the channel. Welcome back to Gift Olivia's TV. So guys, today we are going to be preparing yam catfish chicken pepper soup. This is really delicious and mouth-watery. If this is your first time here, don't forget to join the family by subscribing. It will really help me a lot. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate. So guys, let's dive right into this mouth-watery yam chicken catfish pepper soup. So guys, of course we will be needing our yam. I'm going to be using this one large yam and half. So this is my catfish and this is how it is looking. It came in these sizes, so I'm going to be using 3 of these catfish.
Settle down in the place of dreams, float away in the scenery, take a backpack of what you need, let's explore the world we see. All the dangers have been made up, you believe what they say. Through the heartache, our stargaze, no invasion today.
After cutting my catfish, I am going to wash and then set it aside. So this is my yam. I am also going to start to peel off the back now and then wash it and also set it aside.
Settle down in the place of dreams, float away in the scenery, take a backpack of what you need, let's explore the world we see. All the dangers have been made up, you believe what they say. Through the heartache, our stargaze, no invasion today. We've come this far to win and ride alone. So take your chances to embrace the waterfall.
So guys, for the next ingredient, I am going to be using 1 large onion. So I'm going to wash and peel, then slice up the onion. So the onion is going into the chicken on the fire. So guys, this is my chicken right here. I already put them in the fire, so I seasoned it with seasoning cube and salt. I'm just going to add half of the onion inside the chicken. I am just going to go ahead and pour in hot water into my catfish. I already washed the catfish, so this hot water is going to help firm up my catfish and also prevent it from scattering when cooking.
Settle down in the place of dreams, float away in the scenery, take a backpack of what you need, let's explore the world we see. All the dangers have been made up, you believe what they say. Through the heartache, our stargaze, no invasion today. We've come this far to win and ride alone. So take your chances to embrace the waterfall.
So guys, right now I am just going to add in my spices, which is the pepper soup spice and my blended African hot pepper. So guys, yeah, I'm just going to add them and then stir it together. Like, this is the real deal. This is going to help give the pepper soup some aroma and also make it pepperish. Like, this food is really medicinal, it is healthy, and at the same time it is good for the body, especially this weather. So guys, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and taste for seasoning. I will add in more pepper, and then I will also be adding some seasoning cube and a little pinch of salt. Just taste for seasoning. I will also be adding some curry powder. I will give everything a stir, and then just look at this, guys. It is looking so good. So I will give it a stir, and then the next step is for me to add in my catfish. I am going to strain off the hot water from my catfish now. As you can see, my catfish is all firmed up already, so I'm just going to give it a quick rinse and then add it into the So guys, our yam catfish chicken pepper soup is almost ready. Just look at how good this is, guys. So please bring your plates. Let me start serving you all, because I know you all love this. So if this is your first time, you have not yet clicked on the subscribe button, please click on it. It is absolutely free. It will really help me a lot, guys. Please subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Oh my god, this is really good, guys.